Hey guys, welcome back. As we talked about in the last video about our heads, I have found out what I'm gonna do, whether I'm going to the machine shop or buy some new ones. I will let y'all guess and I'll reveal at the end of the video what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and take the heads off and get them ready for whether I'm putting new ones on or taking them to the machine shop. Alright guys, y'all just seen me take my heads off, so got any guesses of what I'm doing? Well, I found me a newer set of 799s. That's what I went with. I didn't go to the machine shop. 241s needed some work, so it was the same price to buy these better heads that jacks my compression up a little bit than leave these 241 setting. So got me a parts cabinet now, all kinds of stuff ready to go. The shop is a wreck. Holding the cylinders out right now. I've got my rod bearings, my rings are in, got my cam kit coming in, springs, push rods, all the good stuff. Keep y'all posted. That video will be up soon.